Hey, hi everybody. Tonight, give me back my heart. Yes, for all lovers, for all rudies, for all rude girls, for all people who like Jamaican music. Mr. Ken Buff. Listen, enjoy, and dance the Scabit with doo-wop style. Ah, enjoy. It's a gift. Rudy's. Give me. Shabba-dabba-da, 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 wow. Make me feel good. Give me good feelings. Oh, darling, whoa, darling, wanting you. Oh, baby, this is the 60s Jamaican beat. Whoa, yeah. One I know, Rudy's. Got some style. Oh, darling. Whoa, darling. Oh, yes, Mr. Ken Move. Oh, baby. Give me your Give me back your heart. And do not forget that Jamaican music is a medicine for the world.